ಅಕ್ಕ ಹೋಗ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ ಹೋಗ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಶೆಟ್ರ ನೀನ್ ನಿಂತ್ಕಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕವ್ರು ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಕೊ
So the same thing happened with me also.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಈ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾಲಕರಿಗೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು ಬರ್ರಿ
We were passing by we were passing by and an incident happened. It was not an intentional thing which we did. So I apologize, and I'm pregnant. I also got a joke. So that is what I was thinking, that if I got a miscarriage, so what will happen? So there's no hatred for the Kannada people or the Kannada language.
And auto drivers.
We love Bangalore, we love the culture, we love the people.
We
I
are staying here for
apologize.
since 3 years.
And we apologize.
3 साल से
There
रह
is
रहे हैं, हम लोग को
no-
बहुत पसंद आता है. हम लोग अपने होम टाउन जाना नहीं पसंद करते
So
हैं, क्योंकि
there
हम
is
लोग को
nothing
वहाँ पे हम
wrong.
लोग को नहीं
So
अच्छा
if,
लगता.
whatever has happened,
हम लोग यहीं
we
रहते हैं.
apologize. Yeah?
We respect
Yeah.
every
So we
auto
respect
driver, cab
every auto
driver
drivers.
or BMTC driver.
She is like brother. You don't feel like that.
हमारे यहाँ
No,
parents
no, no. You come. She is like your brother and your sister. You don't feel like that.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಂಡಿ ಊರಿಗೆ ಇರಿ
ಈರಣ್ಣ ಆಯ್ತು ನನಗ್ ನೋವಾಗಿರೋದು ಈರಣ್ಣ
ಅವನೇನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ